check this out?
Sure. Whoa.
No.
What are you doing, Henrik?
Hi, Nola. I'm here. Here, Nola. Hi, Nola. I'm here. I'm here. Watch. You Daddy, watch this point. See a point?
I do.
You can't see him.
I can see him. He's way up high. Where's he flying to?
He's on a fly. I think he landed.
You think he landed? Well, good.
He landed. I don't think I can see the plane anymore.
No?
He will come up a little bit.
Okay. There he is.
Don't you see another plane? We can find another plane.
Well, yeah.
He landed. Mom, we had another plane at here. At the house. Oh, it goes. We found Zipton. Here we go.
Nola's gonna get me.
Yeah, I think this is okay. I have 2 points. Oh, this is my favorite. Okay.
That's your favorite one?
This is my favorite.
Who flies that airplane?
Gabriel.
Yeah.
He was the big boy that's on this plane.
Yeah, he used to be able to go on that plane. Is the Texas tornado getting me?
Hey, who's
Roar! Roar! What are you doing? Whoa! You guys get off me! Ah! Oh no! Here comes a Texas tornado. Here she comes. What are you gonna do? Oh, are you eating the airplane? Oh no! What's Henrik doing, Nola? Is it tasty?